Understand okay. Reports by elements. People. You have the notable. Reports are what item data. Less. Curriculum data learning. And stuff like that. So these are some of the major ones. That we should. Okay. That's what I said. Most of the data will be available already. All these are nothing. But the list of that. Okay, so now. This is how the report. Very simple. You got to know about the PRD as well. I would say online one that I was talking about. Of course. On the sequel. Right now, let me show you something about the sequel. Okay. So okay. So okay. So interesting. Interesting. No, you handle. List of below is the selection from the customer table. Okay. Yeah, I think this is what they are using in MSN. Yeah. Well, let's go. Select all will select all the records. Okay. So when you say select, it means you want to select everything. Yes, yeah, so this is the one that I learned it from, but this is very important. It starts from the intro. Okay, you can take a look at it and, if you want, you can learn everything in detail, like database and everything. Wow, with example. Okay.